Welcome to Prince Maths Clinic, the e-learning solution at your pace and time.
I welcome you to this exciting world of numbers, and I'm so delighted to have you join me in today's YouTube class, where we are going to unlock the secret to lightning fast conversion from fractions to decimals, and also conversions from decimals to percentages. In this wide wind of knowledge, I would like to equip you with invaluable tricks that guarantees efficiency and accuracy in your mathematical endeavors. So get ready to witness the power of simplicity as we unravel the mystery of this conversion. But my dear learner, our journey does not end here. I implore you to hit that subscribe button, like and share this channel, because together we can build a vibrant community of learners who share a passion for mathematics. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we embark on this transformative mathematical endeavor. Thank you for joining me, and let's begin this incredible journey of discovery together. As you can see on the board, we are to change these mixed fractions to decimal. So let's go right into the solution. Whenever you are confronted with a challenge like this, now this is what I implore you to do when you are confronted with a mathematical challenge such as this. What you do is you look at what you have in the numerator, right? And in numerator here you have 4, denominator here you have 5. So this is what you do. Now write out the whole number part. The whole number is 3. So write out 3, you put a point. Then you put a 0 beside the number in the numerator, such that 5 can go into 40, right? So if you now say 40 divided by 5, you are going to have 8. So it means that this number is equivalent to 3.8. Good. Similarly, you write out the whole number in the second question, which is 2. You put a point, then put a 0 beside your 3 in the numerator, such that if you say 30 divided by 6, you will have 5. So this number is 2.5. That's equivalent that this number is. Similarly, here you have 7 on number 1 over 10. Write out the whole number part, put a point, then put a 0 here. Good. Now 10 can divide 10 one time, so this is 1. Good. So similarly, write out the whole number here, 1, put a point, then put a 0 here, such that 20 divided by 5 will give you 4. You put down 4. Good. Same thing here. You write down the whole number 8. You put a point. Good. You write a 0 here, such that 5 can go in 36 times. You write down 6. Then finally in this set, you write out the whole number, which is 5. You put a point. Then you put a 0 here. 12 can go in 65 times. So this is 5. Good. So that is how to go about solving questions like this. Now let's look at how to convert from decimals to percentage in the next slide. Here we have this set of questions to convert from decimal to percentage. And because percentage is in terms of 100 and 100 has 2 zeros, this is the approach I'm going to adopt. Now, since it has 2 zeros, it means that I'm going to work with 2 decimal places. So what does 2 decimal place mean? If I say 2 decimal place, what do I mean? 2dp. 2dp means 2 numbers should be after my point. After my dot or my point, I should have 2 digits after it. So here is the approach I'm going to adopt. Because I want 2 digits after it, watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to move this point 2 steps to the right. 1, 2. I'll fill up this space with 0. Now my point is here, so therefore I can call this number 200. Then you put percent. Good. I'll move here twice again, 1 and 2. Put a 0 here to fill up that space. This number becomes, the number itself is 50, which is 50. Then you put a percentage. Now 1, 2, fill up the space, write out all the digits. You have 100, which is 100%. Now this is already 2 digits after the point, so all I just need to do is to move my decimal 2 steps out towards the right. So there's my point. So this is now 34%. Good. Similarly, I have 2 numbers after the point, so I move twice. The point is now here, so I have 12%. Good. Then I need to move my decimal 2 steps, 1, 2, fill up this space with 0, so I have this to be 30%. Then lastly, this is already 2 digits after the point, so I just need to move my decimal 1, 2 steps, then write out all the numbers starting from this 1. So this becomes 125%. So that is how to treat questions like this. And I'm sure that the method was useful. If it was useful, kindly look at this set of questions and try this on your own. Now you have to convert from fraction to decimal 2 number 2 over 5 and also 10 number 2 over 4. Then you have to change the following to percentage 3.45 and 0.76. So feel free to put in the solution in the comment section. Until we meet again, bye for now.